Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and making sure it has network access. This ensures iCloud sync and verification work. Open the Wallet app and find the card you intend to remove, then tap it to bring up details. If the card is linked to a device like Apple Watch, note that removal here will typically remove it there too. Once positioned on the card screen, make sure you can access the three-dot or info button. That control opens the removal options. Tap the three-dot or info icon to open card settings, then choose Remove Card from the menu. This step triggers authentication for security. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode when prompted so Apple can confirm it's you. After confirming, watch for the on-screen message that the card has been removed. It may take a few seconds while iCloud updates linked devices. If a bank asks for additional steps, follow their prompts. Otherwise, the card is off. Once removal completes, return to Wallet and verify the card no longer appears. Also check Apple Watch if it was paired. If the card still shows, try restarting the iPhone, and if needed, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to force a sync. As a key troubleshooting tip, contact your bank if the card continues to appear or if charges persist, since they can deactivate the digital credential. This provides an extra layer of protection while you resolve device sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.